3D printer.
I'm creating a knowledge portal for you. One moment. "3D printing or additive manufacturing has been used in manufacturing, medical, industry and socio-cultural sectors, for example cultural heritage, to create successful commercial technology. More recently, 3D printing has also been used in the humanitarian and development sector to produce a range of medical items."
What are the types of 3D printers?
Fused deposition modeling, FDM selective laser sintering, SLS stereolithography, SLA digital light processing, DLP.